Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in for my YouTube channel. It's official. This is the quick intro to my channel and what my channel is about and all this stuff. So roll intro. Well, let me quickly introduce myself, who I am, what this channel is about, and what is my end goal, and what is it that I'm trying to accomplish. So, first of all, quick introduction. My name is Mohammed. I'm from here in this great state of Minnesota. I currently live in the Twin Cities area. Go Vikings, go Twins. Can't forget about the Wilds, man. And of course, the one and only Minnesota United. Go Minnesota United. Minnesota soccer team, if you don't know, if you don't watch soccer. Anyway, let's get to the point of why this channel exists. So what I do right now, why does this channel exist? So one of the things that I'm trying to accomplish, I travel a lot. I go to different places and in different part of the world. So far I've been to different places. You've seen it on my YouTube channels. I'm uploading. There's a lot of videos that I have that I've recorded over the years. Some of them are not really good quality. Some of them are extremely good. So my goal is to upload all those places that I've been to and talk about them, and also if you plan on visiting those areas, things to avoid, what to do and all that stuff. And also just a little bit background on myself. I'm an immigrant. I immigrated in this country several years ago. Like I said, I've been living here now for 17 years. I'm a police officer here in the metro area. I've been a police officer now for some time, for 5 years now, going on for 5th year. And I'll talk about it. I'll be making some different videos about what's like being a police officer, what this job is all about, and then some of the challenges that I've faced, and also health. I'll be talking about health, nutrition, what do I do for staying fit, because being a police officer is not an easy job, or it's not easy career. It's very, very demanding. So we'll talk about a little bit on that kind of stuff. Also, I will be reviewing products. I love technology just like anyone else, and like anybody else here. So I'll review different technology, tech savvy. I'm not really extremely tech savvy, but I'm pretty familiar with all the products that's out there. So that's gonna be my main focus about this channel: travel, tech review, and health. That's the areas that I'm gonna be focused on: travel, tech, health. Put all those three. It's something that we all use every day. So those the areas that I'm trying to focus on. And also, I'm not an expert, of course. I'm just gonna share my knowledge on those different things that I'm gonna be experiencing, and that will be it, and pretty much. So for the meantime, what I ask you guys to do is, I'm creating this community, this YouTube family, and over the years, hopefully, you guys can help me also out, and it's some of the things that I need to work on. It is extremely challenging for me personally. What I try to do is I'm trying to do things that I'm not really that I'm uncomfortable with, so you have to find things that you're uncomfortable with, okay, in order for you to find your personal growth. Okay, if you really want to grow, you have to go to those uncomfortable places. That's where you really find success. And I'll talk about a little bit about personal growth, personal developments and stuff. So I think that's going to be my, as you say, niche, or my thing that I really want to accomplish in this in this channel. So why did I choose more time? And it's the first letters of my first name, Mohammed, shortened as Mo, and then time. Time, we all get the same time, all of us, no matter. The thing about time, anything else in life can be accomplished. You can be unhealthy for one day, you can work on your health and stuff. You will not see yesterday. You will not see yesterday. More time is basically what I'm trying to do is how can we utilize what time, how time is extremely important, and how we utilize our day-to-day activities and stuff. So with that said, hopefully you can understand what this channel is about, and then and I appreciate it for any input, any comment. I know there's gonna be some, I'm getting out of my comfort zone, man. This is something that I haven't, it's something that I haven't done it. I'm uncomfortable with, and a lot of my friends know about it. Also, really close friends. But I truly believe. If you wanna accomplish something, if you wanna make a difference in people's lives, you have to first of all change your life, and in order to accomplish and help others and stuff. So without further ado, I appreciate it for your time, and please subscribe to my channel. I'm all over the social media. You can link me up with, you can check me out on my Facebook. I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, obviously here on YouTube, Snapchat. All of the information is linked to this video. All of them, check it out. So that was just a quick introduction. Obviously, there's just so many things that I really want to talk about, but that's why we have all this time. I don't want to release everything and bore you to death in 1 minute, in this few minutes. So this is who I am, what I do, and then what I'm trying to accomplish. I know your time is valuable, my time is valuable, and hopefully whatever stuff that I share with you, hopefully is something that is beneficial to you and also to me. So it's two-way. It's the two ways. YouTube is like this huge university. I'm trying to learn something, you trying to learn something, so let's learn from each other. Thanks for tuning in, and peace out.